Today we will start the topic second type of variation, that is called inverse variation. First of all, we will understand what is the meaning of inverse variation. We will understand the concept of inverse variation with a simple example. For says one quantity x will increase, due to x y will decrease, then this type of relation is called inverse variation, and we can write y is inversely proportional to x. We can also this the concept of inverse variation by a simple example. Let's say there are 10 boys do a job in 20 days. Then 30 boys complete the same job how many days? Please think, the days will increase or decrease. Boys are increasing, days will decrease. This type of relation is called inverse variation. There is a shortcut method for solve this question. We will do all the question of inverse variation by this shortcut method. One quantity y1 and the corresponding quantity x1. The relation between x and y are inverse. Then there is an equal to sign. Another quantity y2 and x2. When we will do the questions, there will be a one quantity miss, and we will find the one quantity. We will do the above example by the same formula. There are 10 boys do a job in 20 days. These are the boys and these are number of days, equal to, if the boys will increase becomes 30 boys do the same job in, let's say, x days. We can solve this example very easily. 10 multiplied 20, 30 will divide on the opposite side. 20 multiplied 10, 30 divided by 30, 300 divided by 30, number of days will be 10. It's means 30 boys do the same job in 10 days. This type of relation is called inverse relation. We can do another two example to understand the concept of inverse variation. Example number 1. If 4 boys can shovel a driveway in 60 minutes, how many minutes will it take 5 boys to do the same job? First of all, you will think the relationship between boys and the job is inverse variation. When boys will increase, time will decrease. We will do the same question in the previous formula. Boys B1 time T1 equal to boys B2 time T2. The values will given in this question for boys. Time is 60 minutes. Then there is a relation between the corresponding values 5 boys, and you will have to find the time, let's say x. You can solve this question 5 We'll do we divide in the opposite side, cancel the values. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 1 carry, 5 twos are 10, 12 fours are 48. It's mean 5 boys do the same job in 48 minutes. This type of relation is called inverse variation when boys will increase and time will decrease. We will understand this by another example. The second example is, let's say in a hotel mess there are enough food provisions for 15 boarders for a month. After 10 days, half of them leave due to vacation. How long will the food provision now last? In this question, the data given that 1500 boarders, for 1500 boarders there is a food for a month, but after 10 days half of the boarders, 700 half, 1500 half, 750, leave the hostel. Then the food will enough for how many days? Let's solve this problem. When 10 days left, 10 days passed away, the remaining days are 20. It's mean for 20 days there are enough food for 1500 boarders. Mean hence 1 you can say, and these are day 1 equal to when 2 and day 2. As there is a inverse variation, this is the formula for inverse variation. Now for 20 days men will be half, so then the half of the 1500 is 750, and you have to find the number of days, let's say x. Solve this question. We'll divide 750 on the opposite side. Solve this question. Cancel 0, 75 cancel with 150, 2 and 1 0. 20 multiplied 2, 40. It's mean there is a food for 40 days for 750 boarders. Hope you will understand the concept of inverse variation by a shortcut method. Thank you.